Hello, children. This is a new chapter for you all. It's the name of the chapter is Animal Friends. It's in page number 49. Okay. So, Animal Friends is we have to match the sentences about our animal friends with the right picture. So pictures are given over here and some clues are given over here. We have to guess the name of the animal and accordingly we have to match it. So first one is given for us, the rest we have to do, and what I have done is written the name of the animal as well. So you all also have to do it in the same way which I have done. You have to write the name of the animal as well and the correct option as well. Whatever option A to H are options are given and 1 to 8 animal pictures are given. We have to match accordingly. So we just need to do the matching correct in the correct format. So it first one is it hunts rats and mice that live in our houses. You know that cat, what does a cat do? It hunts rat. That means it eats rat and mice. Okay. The plural form of a mouse is known as mice, so it hunts those. Hunts means to eat. So the first option, this is a picture of a cat. You all know it very well, so write A over here and write cat. A is done for you all. You have to write cat over here. Now come to the second one. Second option is they are green in color and love to eat chilies. Anything that strikes you, green color and loves to eat chilies. We offer chili to which bird? It is parrot. It is green in color as well. So which bird in the picture is given? See, this is a picture of parrot. So write B over here, option B, and this is parrot. Write the correct spelling I have done for you all. Please see and write it. Parrot. Parrot. Option C is they are needed in games like polo. Now polo is a game where we need horse, so the correct answer over here will be horse. The clue which is given is response to horse, so the correct option is horse. Find the which animal is a horse. This is a picture of a horse, this one. So write over here C and the correct spelling HORSE, horse. Option D is they provide us with milk. Their dung is used as manure and fuel. This is a very easy option which is given. So this means that they provide us with milk. Who provides us with milk? Obviously you know that cow provides us with milk. So which picture is a picture of a cow? See, this is the picture of a cow. So third one, the correct option will be D, and write correct spelling COW, cow. So this is a picture of a cow. What does cow provide us with? Cow provides us with milk and their dung is used as manure and fuel. You all know this. Come to the fifth option, option E, they provide us with wool. Now you all know who provides us with wool. Obviously sheep provides us with wool. So this is the picture of a sheep. So correct option will be E, and write the correct spelling SHEEP. Okay, so write this is the sheep and write over here the correct spelling. F, option F is they are used to go from one place to another in desert regions. Now you all know who is the friend of in a desert region? A camel. Camel is the only animal which is mostly visible in the desert areas, and people go from one place to the another sitting on a camel. So this is a picture of camel. Right over here FCAMEL, camel. Now option G is they are usually kept in a glass bowl filled with water. Now who lives in water? The best example which comes out is a fish. So fish, say this is a goldfish which we keep it in a bowl of water, in a glass bowl of water, and fill it with water, and the fishes live over here. So the correct option is this one, sixth one. So this is a picture of a fish. So write G and FISH, fish. Okay, H is it was the first tamed animal and is known as man's best friend. Tamed animal means you can train such animals very well. So first animal which could be trained by human being, that means it listens to the human all the instructions. So it's a man's best friend. This is the reason it is known as man's best friend. So this is a dog. You all must have seen. You must you all may have at your home as well a pet dog. You all know that it is the best animal which can be kept as a pet. So it is H over here, right? Correct option H, and spelling of the dog is DOG. So please know all these clues. I'll be saying these clues and you have to guess the name of the animal. So all these 8 clues are important. Okay, among these I'll be saying any 2 or 3. So remember all these 8 clues and remember the name of the animal as well. Thank you all of you. If you have faced any doubt over here, please let me know once. Thank you.